Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Hyundai Sonata Eco. This one's gray. Underneath is a turbocharged 1.6 inline 4-cylinder with 178 horsepower. This one has 16-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Gray cloth interior. Spoiler. Sonata Eco badging. Clean set all season floor mats. 60/40 fold down rear seats. Power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Media display, which is touchscreen. Rear view backup camera. Climate controls, USB and auxiliary ports, automatic transmission. This Hyundai has 38,909 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Hyundai Sonata Eco, visit us at feldmanimports.com.